Well, hello guys, welcome to the Alien Programmers. So in previous video, we have learned that how to print a value in system.out.println. So let's begin with a new thing. Let's go for a data types and variable today. So for that, we have to code as usual. This is programming language. So let's start. So in first of all, we have to import packages. Import java.util.star semicolon. Let's make a class over here. Class jdemo variable. Okay, so this is our class jdemo variable. So create main. Okay, so this is main. So now what we have to do is we are about to create a new feature of Java is called data type. So in Java, there are various type of data types here, like integer, string, float, and array. We have array, then double. So these are the many various data types in Java. So we are going to use today some of it. Basically, there are two types of data types. Some theory. Let's learn some theory. So basically there are two types of data types. One primitive and second is non-primitive. So in primitive data types there are integer, float, double, boolean, character. There are the primitive data types. And non-primitive data types are string, array, classes, etc. etc. So let's start. So let's take one integer a. Okay, so basically we are putting here a is a variable. The integer variable name is a. We are assigning the value is 10. Let's say 10. And I'm taking another variable called b. I am assigning value is 5. Okay, semicolon for the end of statement. So now I want to print something like I have 10 chocolates and I give 5 chocolates to my friend. Okay, so system dot out dot println. Okay, so I want, sorry, I have 5 chocolates and I give 5 chocolates to my friend. Okay, so this is the statement. Okay, now you have to this is the in dynamic language you have to you write here like 5 and sorry here into 10. Okay, so over here 10 is assigned value of a and the 5 is assigned value of b. So I want to do it in a dynamically way, so just make a semicolon, inverted commas, write plus. The plus is used for the concatenation. So plus 5a plus. Okay, so what a use here, we use a, but what is the use of a over here? So I have, okay, 5 chocolates and we write 5 chocolates over here. Okay, so 10 chocolates, sorry, 10 chocolates. I have 10 chocolates and I give how many? 5. So and the value of 5 variable is b. Okay, so b inverted commas. So whatever statement you want to write is between these inverted commas. See, we write between the inverted commas only, and the other, like we choose a data type integer and a is a variable, so put it over here. So this value is assigned for a, and this a, put that value over here. So this is become a statement. Let's see how its output comes. Let's go to the cmd. Okay, cd app drive. uh, Wait a minute, I have shown you the shortcut key for the path. So just type here cmd, and here we are. So okay, so our program is jdemo. Sorry, this is wrong. Jdemo variables. Let's run this Java program. So what we have is, oh, here we are. So I have 10 chocolates, and I gave 5 chocolates to my friend. See how simple is that? Now let's see another example. Here we are taking integer age equals to 22. Okay, and now I'm taking a string data type. In integer we are putting only numbers, not any other thing. Only numbers we are putting in integer. If you want to uh, print any character like hello, my name is the path, so path is a string data type, so we are putting over here is string. So let's string uh, name equals to alien. Okay, so in every string data type data type we have to put inverted commas. Okay, in every string we have to, the name of the string variable is name, and the value of string name is alien. So string value are always written under the inverted commas. Okay, and other string is planet equals to Mars. Okay, so what we type in print, so system dot out dot println. Okay, so my name is name. So we have concatenated the name alien over here. Okay, so plus name inverted commas and my age is, over here we are concatenating the age data type age, and I'm from I'm from the, okay, we have to concate Mars, so planet is concate planet. See how simple is that? Let's see the output of it. CLS Java run. So see, my name is alien and my age is 22 from, and I am from Mars. Okay, so and I am from Mars. Okay, so this is the another program, right? But I want this program, but I don't want to delete this also. So select this and press Control and forward slash. So this is called comment in the languages. So you just disable for the limited time till you are not uncommenting it. So this is the comment in programming language. Okay, so let's run again and see what we have is, see, my name is Alien and my age is 22 and I am from Mars. See, this is how simple is the data types we have learned today is integer and string. So this is Parth from the Alien Programmers. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any query, then comment below in the comment section. I'm Parth signing out. Goodbye.